Israel News is made possible thanks to your generous donations.
Shalom, good evening. This is TV7 Israel News broadcast to you from Jerusalem. And in today's top stories, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu rejects the notion that the internationally aspired two-state solution would provide Israel with the security it requires. The Biden administration has asserted that Israel's further integration in the Middle East is contingent on granting the Palestinian statehood. The European Union's parliament has voted overwhelmingly in support of Israel's right to self-defense by coupling any ceasefire to the war in Gaza to the dismantlement of Hamas and the release of all hostages.